everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Chloe, and today we are going to talk about my winter vacation.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi, Chloe.
Hi, Ethan.
How are you today?
I am very well, thank you. How are you?
I am doing great. Thank you for asking.
That is wonderful.
Chloe, do you like winter?
Yes, I do. Winter is my favorite season.
Really? Why do you like winter?
Because the weather is cool and I enjoy wearing warm clothes.
I like winter too.
Why do you like it?
I like drinking hot chocolate and walking on cold mornings.
That sounds relaxing.
Do you usually travel during winter?
Yes, I usually take a vacation in December.
Where did you go last winter?
I went to a beautiful mountain town.
Wow. That sounds exciting.
It was a wonderful trip.
Who did you travel with?
I traveled with my parents and my younger brother.
Did everyone enjoy the vacation?
Yes, we all had a great time together.
How did you travel there?
We traveled by car.
Was the drive long?
Yes, it took about 5 hours.
Did you stop along the way?
Yes, we stopped at a small cafe.
What did you eat?
I had a sandwich and hot tea.
That sounds delicious.
It was very tasty.
What was the weather like?
It was very cold.
Was there snow?
Yes, there was snow everywhere.
Did you like the snow?
Yes, I loved it.
Was it your first time seeing snow?
No, it was my second time.
What did you do first?
I made a snowman with my brother.
That must have been fun.
It was very fun.
Did you have a snowball fight?
Yes, we laughed a lot.
Who won the snowball fight?
My brother won.
Did you make a snow angel?
Yes, it was my favorite activity.
That sounds amazing.
It really was.
Where did you stay?
We stayed in a small hotel near the mountains.
Was the hotel comfortable?
Yes, the room was warm and clean.
Did the hotel have a fireplace?
Yes, there was a beautiful fireplace in the lobby.
I love sitting near a warm fireplace.
Me too.
What did you do in the evening?
We sat by the fireplace and talked together.
Did you drink anything warm?
Yes, we drank hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate is perfect in winter.
I completely agree.
Did you take many pictures?
Yes, I took many beautiful photos.
What did you take pictures of?
I took pictures of the mountains, the snow, and my family.
Those must be wonderful memories.
Yes, I look at the photos often.
Let's learn some English together.
Great idea.
The word winter is one of the 4 seasons.
Example, winter is very cold in some countries.
The word vacation means time away from work or school.
Example, we went on vacation in December.
The word mountain means very high land.
Example, we stayed near the mountains.
The word snow is frozen white rain.
Example, the children played in the snow.
Here is today's grammar lesson.
Today, we will learn the past simple tense.
We use the past simple to talk about something that happened in the past.
Example, I visited my grandparents last winter.
Example, we traveled by car.
Example, they stayed in a hotel.
Example, she played in the snow.
Notice that many regular verbs end with ed.
Visit becomes visited.
Play becomes played.
Stay becomes stayed.
Travel becomes traveled.
Now let's practice pronunciation.
Listen carefully.
Winter,
Winter,
vacation,
vacation,
mountain,
Mountain,
snow,
snow,
visited,
visited,
traveled.
traveled.
Excellent. Practice these words every day.
They will help you speak English more confidently. What about you, everyone?
Did you go on a winter vacation?
Please write your answer in the comments below.
We would love to read your stories. Let's continue our winter vacation conversation in part 2. Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue our conversation about my winter vacation.
Yes, I am excited to share more stories.
Chloe, how many days was your vacation?
My vacation was 7 days.
Was 1 week enough?
It was nice, but I wanted to stay longer.
I understand. Vacations always feel too short.
That is true.
What did you do on the second day?
We went for a long walk in the snow.
Was it very cold?
Yes, but I wore a warm jacket.
Did you wear gloves?
Yes, I wore gloves, a scarf, and a warm hat.
That is a good idea.
Winter clothes keep us warm.
Did you wear boots?
Yes, my boots were comfortable.
Did you walk far?
Yes, we walked for about 2 hours.
Wow, that is a long walk.
We enjoyed every minute.
What did you see during your walk?
We saw beautiful mountains and tall trees.
Did you see a frozen lake?
Yes, the lake was covered with ice.
That must have looked beautiful.
It was amazing.
Did you see any animals?
Yes, we saw birds and 2 rabbits.
That sounds exciting.
It was a wonderful experience.
Did you eat lunch outside?
No, we ate in a small restaurant.
What did you order?
I ordered hot soup and bread.
Hot soup is perfect in winter.
Yes, it kept me warm.
Did you try any local food?
Yes, I tried a special chicken pie.
Did you like it?
Yes, it was delicious.
Did you eat dessert?
Yes, I had warm apple pie.
Wow, that sounds wonderful.
It was one of my favorite meals.
Did you go shopping?
Yes, we visited a small gift shop.
What did you buy?
I bought a scarf and some postcards.
Did you buy gifts for your friends?
Yes, I bought small souvenirs.
I think they were happy.
Yes, they really liked the gifts.
What was your favorite place?
My favorite place was the snowy mountain
Why was it your favorite?
because the view was beautiful.
Did you watch the sunrise?
Yes, the sunrise was colorful.
Did you watch the sunset too?
Yes, it was peaceful and beautiful.
Did you take many pictures?
Yes, I filled my phone with photos.
Which photo is your favorite?
A photo of my family smiling in the snow.
That is a special memory.
Yes, I will always remember that day.
Did anything funny happen?
Yes, my brother slipped on the snow.
Was he okay?
Yes, he laughed and stood up quickly.
That is funny.
We all laughed together.
Funny moments make vacations more memorable.
I agree.
Let's learn more English together.
Great.
Today's first word is scarf.
A scarf is a piece of clothing you wear around your neck.
Example: I wore a warm scarf in winter.
Our next word is boots.
Boots are strong shoes for cold or wet weather.
Example, my boots kept my feet warm.
The next word is souvenir.
A souvenir is something you buy to remember a trip.
Example: I bought a souvenir for my friend.
Another useful word is view.
A view is what you can see from a place.
Example, the mountain view was beautiful.
Now let's study grammar.
Today, we will learn regular and irregular verbs.
A regular verb adds ed in the past tense.
Example, walk becomes walked.
Play becomes played.
Visit becomes visited.
Stay becomes stayed.
Some verbs are irregular.
Go becomes went.
Eat becomes ate.
See becomes saw.
Buy becomes bought.
Take becomes took.
Have becomes had.
Let's practice.
I went to the mountains.
We ate hot soup.
They saw a frozen lake.
She bought a beautiful scarf.
He took many photos.
Scarf.
Scarf.
Souvenir.
Souvenir.
Mountain.
Mountain.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Wonderful.
Keep practicing these words every day.
They will help you talk about your vacations in English.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for learning English with us.
Let's continue our winter vacation story in part 3.
Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue our conversation about my winter vacation.
Yes, I am happy to continue.
Chloe, what did you do on your last day?
I woke up early to watch the sunrise.
Was it beautiful?
Yes, the sky was pink, orange, and yellow.
That sounds amazing.
It was one of the best moments of my vacation.
Did you take pictures of the sunrise?
Yes, I took many beautiful photos.
Did your family wake up early too?
Yes, we watched the sunrise together.
Family memories are very special.
I agree.
What did you do after breakfast?
We packed our bags.
Was it difficult to leave?
Yes, I wanted to stay longer.
I understand.
I felt a little sad.
Did you buy anything before you left?
Yes, I bought some chocolate and local honey.
Those are nice gifts.
My family enjoyed them very much.
Did you say goodbye to the hotel staff?
Yes, they were very kind.
Good service makes a vacation better.
That is true.
How was your trip home?
It was safe and comfortable.
Did you stop anywhere?
Yes, we stopped at a beautiful lake.
What did you do there?
We walked for a short time and took more pictures.
What was your favorite memory from the vacation?
My favorite memory was building a snowman with my family.
Why was that your favorite?
Because everyone laughed and had fun together.
Happy memories stay with us forever.
Yes, I will never forget that day.
Would you like to visit the mountains again?
Yes, I would love to go back next winter.
Would you stay in the same hotel?
Yes, the hotel was clean and friendly.
Would you change anything about your vacation?
No, everything was wonderful.
That is great to hear.
I hope I can have another winter vacation soon.
What advice would you give to someone planning a winter vacation?
Bring warm clothes and comfortable boots.
Anything else?
Don't forget your camera.
Good advice.
Thank you.
Let's learn more English together.
Great idea.
Today's first word is pack.
Pack means to put your clothes and other things into a bag or suitcase.
Example, I packed my suitcase before the trip.
Our next word is sunrise.
Sunrise is the time when the sun comes up in the morning.
Example, we watched the sunrise together.
Another useful word is comfortable.
Comfortable means feeling relaxed and good.
Example, my hotel room was comfortable.
The next word is memory.
A memory is something you remember from the past.
Example, my winter vacation gave me many happy memories.
Our last word is advice.
Advice means helpful ideas or suggestions.
Example,
My father gave me good advice.
Now, let's learn some grammar.
Today, we will practice would like to.
We use would like to when we talk about our wishes or plans politely.
Example, I would like to visit Canada.
Example, she would like to see snow.
Example, we would like to stay longer.
Example, they would like to travel together.
now let's practice.
I would like to visit the mountains again. I would like to learn skiing. We would like to stay in a hotel. My family would like to travel next winter. Excellent. Now let's practice pronunciation. Listen carefully. Sunrise. Sunrise. Comfortable. Comfortable. Advice. Advice. Pack. Pack. Memory. Memory. Very good. Repeat these words every day. They will help you talk about travel and vacations. Keep practicing your English a little every day. Small steps can make a big difference. Learning English becomes easier when you practice often. We are almost at the end of today's lesson. In part 4, we will review today's vocabulary and grammar, practice a short conversation, and say goodbye. We hope you will join us for the final part. See you in part 4.